Hello everybody, Richard STRANG from the UK. Just going to be a quick overview of WIREX, which I've been with for about a year, just over. Basically purely for using its own VISA Debit card, so you can convert your fiat to crypto. Absolutely wonderful debit card. It's a great way to spend cryptos every day for your normal stuff, every meal stuff. Whatever Visa is accepted, WIREX can be used. If you use their official YouTube page, obviously, and currently they're giving back rewards every time you spend your WIREX, use your Visa. They're giving you 1.5% back in Satoshis, which obviously then can be exchanged for Bitcoin and then into your chosen currency. So I use it all the time. I don't have a much at the moment in the account. I've spent quite a bit lately on the card. But one thing that I've perhaps a bit, bit slow getting going with is the WXT token, the WIREX token. When it was announced, to be honest, I just didn't get any, and I should have looked into it. It's one of those things where you hear about, oh, WIREX bringing out a token, you just slips your memory. But now I've sort of looked into it more in depth. I'm seriously going to get some WIREX token very soon. The fact that WIREX have managed to appease Visa to pass the laws to actually have an active Visa debit card is no mean feat, trust me. I remember when we had all those crypto debit cards with Visa, Xapo. I used to have a Bitpanda card, and they all got stopped because Visa are so strict on who has them. And the fact WIREX, got it approved after a lot of planning and due diligence between WIREX and Visa. Anyway, they've accepted it, and now the card works fine. There's no issues with it. So I use it nearly all the time. I'm going to get some WIREX token. I should have looked into it before, as I say, but it's a token, sorry, which has got huge potential. The fact they say they've got an absolute card, to me, tells them that they've got longevity, they'll be around forever. They're very active on social media with their plans, always at conferences, spreading the word. And if you look through their terms and conditions, obviously to have a Visa debit card in the UK, they are actually approved by the Financial Conduct Authority, which again, is not something that comes across easy. And they're registered all around the world. Their main head office is in London, but you can see there they've actually got their FCA registration number. They're also approved in Canada with the Financial Transactions Report and Analysis Centre of Canada, FINTRAC, and amazingly, they're actually in America approved, Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN. So they're their licensing, and to get them just proves that they are legit, not going anywhere. You can use this card for a long while, and it really is. Now, if you go back to the accounts, I don't have much in there at the moment because I've spent a bit lately. But these are the coins that are supported. Obviously, they're token. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, the normal big coins. Also got Ripple, Waves, Willow, Dai, Nano, Stellar Lumens, which the WIREX token runs on. It runs on the XLM Stellar Lumens network. So all you do is you transfer your coins here, then you exchange it for GBP, which is obviously my currency. Obviously, that would be your currency wherever you may be. So they're approved. Now, when you go through the list of supported countries, pretty much went all through it. There's a few countries like Belarus wasn't accepted. There's a few in Caribbean, Haiti, Bahamas, Iran, Iraq, Middle East. But mainly, I was surprised it wasn't in Japan. That did surprise me. That was the one country I thought, wow, that's one of the most proactive cryptocurrency, countries out there. But Kosovo isn't allowed. But anyway, so there's many African countries not allowed, but pretty much it's got worldwide adoption. Now, one of the first ICOs, coins out there, which promised to give us a Visa debit card, apart from 10x, which, as far as I'm aware, is now, I don't know what's happened with 10x, I've forgotten about that project, was MCO, Monaco. Now, Monaco has been around for ages. Now, current price is $4.23. Now, I believe they've issued the cards in Asia, and I think they've just started in America and Canada. I registered for a card months and months ago, and there's still no hint. So the fact that WIREX has actually got its Visa card, again, speaks volumes to me. So this was Monaco. It's now $4.23, and the whole point of Monaco was purely for the fact they were going to bring out a Visa debit card. Anyway, they bought out another coin, Monaco, which was again crypto.com, which is an offshoot of Monaco. Now, I believe, I did read this somewhere, that to get the crypto.com website address cost them $10 million, I believe. Anyway, so again, when the card is finally adopted throughout the world, again, it will do well because everyone wants a general day usage debit card. But the fact that actually crypto.com's coin Crow is at rank 25 and their original coin is at 77 just shows the potential for Wirex with an active debit card anyway. So when you look at Wirex token, it's currently 190 in the charts and it's only 1 cent. The highest it's ever been was 6 cents, if I remember correctly. Yeah, just over 6 cents. But that was only last month. So as Wirex grows, and I say they've got a lot of future plans, this is one token, this is not financial advice, that perhaps you should keep on your radar. I'm going to keep my eye on it. I will be getting some tokens the next couple of days. I believe with the fact that with their card, this token can only climb the charts and only rise. They've got, the fact that you look at it there and the volume in the last 24 hours was nearly 500 Bitcoin, 57,000 stellar lumens. It has got a massive circulating supply, huge amount. So we'll see. But it's one to keep on your radar. If you want to get a debit card to spend your coins, the link's below. I remember getting my card within a week. You have to do KYC, obviously, because they are part of the FCA. But there's no problem. You activate the card and just spend it at will. It's a great little card to have. So it's a great way of converting fiat to crypto. And they allow bank transfers from UK banks to add funds, or you can just simply transfer the coins I mentioned earlier to your wallet and then exchange for your currency. So I personally got a lot of high hopes for Wirex, and I'll carry on using their card. Any questions, let me know. I say the links are below. Hope to chat to you soon, guys. Bye.